Can't figure out how to make a template with Cricut? It's easier than you think, let's do it together. Step 1. Open Cricut Design Space and click on New Project to open a blank canvas. Step 2. Upload an image to your design space. Step 3. Go to the left-hand toolbar and click on Templates. Step 4. On the Templates page, scroll through the available options. If you're designing something like a shirt, simply choose a template that best fits your project. Note, templates are for visual guidance only and won't be saved with your project. Great! Now that your template is in place, let's move forward. Step 5. Once your template is added, click on the Type drop-down menu and select the style that best suits your needs. Step 6. Open the Size drop-down menu and select the correct size for your shirt. Step 7. Measure the actual width and height of your shirt. Step 8. Type your shirt size into the width and height fields to match your template to the real size. Step 9. Drag your added image onto the shirt template and resize it to fit your desired placement and look. Step 10. Once your image is properly placed and sized within your template, you're ready to proceed with the next step. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such videos and DIY ideas. Or visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at 1-786-866-5932. 44-203-983-0480.